Dymax manufactures a range of specially formulated adhesives for the assembly of disposable medical devices such as catheters and needles. All Dymax catheter bonders have no solvents added and feature excellent adhesion to a wide range of substrates. They are available in a range of viscosities to support specific manufacturing needs. Highly flexible, the products cure rapidly upon exposure to UV and/or visible light for reliable, easy component assembly. Many Dymax catheter bonders are LED optimized and feature Encompass technology. Encompass technology is a combination of Dymax patented C-Cure and ultra-red fluorescing technologies formulated into one light-curable material. Adhesives with C-Cure technology dispense bright blue onto substrates for visual verification of material placement. After proper exposure to light energy, the adhesive transitions to colorless, indicating full cure. This means users never need to question if their adhesive is fully cured again. Adhesives with ultra-red technology fluoresce bright red under low-intensity black light for easy inline quality inspection. In addition to catheter bonders, Dymax offers a selection of light-curable needle bonding adhesives. These adhesives are ideal for high-speed, automated syringe assembly lines. Products are available in a range of viscosities, with options for blue or ultra-red fluorescing capability. They are ideal for applications such as bonding needles in various hypodermic and biopsy hubs, syringes, as well as winged infusion sets. Visit Dymax.com today and chat online with our application engineering team. Let's discuss how Dymax Light Cure solutions can shave precious seconds off your automated assembly process.